I wanted to explain you about the pricing of Power BI service. So you might be thinking like Power BI desktop is absolutely free, but how does the Microsoft earn money from this? So for that, let me show you the pricing of Power BI service. So let me go to Google and just type Power BI licensing, or you can just write pricing. So Power BI gives us two different versions or two different uh, products like Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. So this is the pricing where Power BI Pro is for per user. So if you have a organization for a per user, you have to pay $10 per month. So this is again in terms of dollars. If you can just scroll down and you can select your own region. So if you want, you can select your own region and check the pricing. So for now, let me explain it by using a US dollars only. And when it comes to premium account, here we have two more subscriptions there based on per user, based on per capacity. If you want to go for premium per user, it will cost you around $20 per month per user. But when you talk about the per capacity, suppose if you have an organization or enterprise who are working Power BI, like maybe 100, 200 folks are there. So you can opt for the per capacity also. So it will cost you very huge amount, approximately $5,000 per capacity per month. So if you talk about in Indian rupees, it will cost you anywhere around 4 lakh rupees per month. So it is so huge, but it is for the enterprise level. And you might see what is the difference, or what is the difference between pro and premium or premium per capacity. So let me tell you few differences quickly. First is when you are dealing with a data model, the size limit for the Pro will be only 1 GB. So if your model size is greater than 1 GB, you cannot work it on Power BI Pro. So you have to either switch it for the premium per user or per capacity, where it will accept you like 100 GB of model memory size limit, and for the per capacity it is 400 GB. And when you're talking about the refresh rate in Pro, you can just do refresh only 8 times per day. So what is refresh rate? So if your data is adding continuously, so you can do only 8 times refresh. But in the premium per user and per capacity both, you can refresh up to 48 times per day. It means this is auto refresh. Yes, so automatic refresh, you can do it every half an hour, that is 48 hours, 48 times per day. And if you just scroll down and talking about, there are many other options. Talking about the storage, you can store up to 10 GB per user in the terms of Pro, and in Premium, you can store up to 100 TB. Just imagine 100 TB, not 100 GB. So that's the difference between your Pro and Premium licensing. So now let us move to the free trial. So when you are using the free trial, so if you are using Microsoft Power BI Pro, for all organizations, they might have a Microsoft 365 E5 account. So for them, Power BI is included. Power BI Pro is included in them. So you can start using it. Now, let me come back to my Power BI desktop. We have created one report. Now, if I hit publish, your report will be stored in your Power BI service or in a cloud based tool. So this is all about the Power BI pricing, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.